Niggas want to turn his body into ashes. See them in the club, you would've swore they was brothers, fucking the same bitch. Yeah, them niggas sharing love. I'm like big, Pop. It's like on the young big Pop, man. Like that's all Rose did. Like it's just there. Like I just got it, and like I feel like I come with the swag, like Big, and then my aura just out of control like Pop. So Young Big Pop will be the official album, you know. That's what's fuck it. They know now. They know.
So let me ask you, as a music man and an entrepreneur / businessman, when you make music, you doing it for the love of music or because it's your hustle? Like that's you treat it as a hustle or the love for it?
Sheesh, man.
Well, mixture of both.
All the people really ready for this, man. Like, fucking hustler, man.
He's a hustler.
Like, I ain't no fucking fan of hip hop, man. Like, I respect niggas that rap good. Like, you nice rap, I respect you. But I'm not hip hop. I'm a hustler, and this is a hustle, and you gonna understand my hustle. And the reason why I say that, because if you ain't understand, if you looking for a perfect song out of me, you're not gonna get that. Because I don't write this shit. I gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a flip. I'm in transition. Like, I mean, it's like if it was from smack to weed. Like, I'm in transition. Like, it's a transition. Like, so I'm gonna rap and I'm gonna get this money. And niggas gonna respect me because I don't need nobody to book my shows. I don't need nobody to put my music out. I don't need nobody to get my motherfucking music to the radio. I'll get my own shit to the radio.
So you covering all lanes.
Yeah, so it's like self-promotion. So it's like what? Who? Huh? What? When and where?
That's just play.
Like, I'll book my own party. I will pack the club. If that don't work, I'll bring a big artist out because I got everybody's number in the game. I can book whoever I want, and I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna be here for a long time because I'm very young. So like, this is not the beginning, it's not the end of me. You gonna see more of me on, like I said, just as an executive, because that's what I said. I had to say Death around the corner, because before I had to hit DJs up 20 times to get them to play a new artist record. Now all I gotta do is put Hef on the record, and then a DJ's gonna play it now because Murder's on the record. So that's what they want from the game now, as far as Death around the corner, because my job became much more easier. 6 feet over ground.
6 feet.
So you make all your beats too?
I got a staff, Lacey K Production. We got over 49 producers. And I'm talking, some gonna be young. Like one of my dudes did the Tony Montana doing joint. Shout out to Speaking Office.
Okay.
One of my dudes did that Made Niggas with him for Drake.
Okay.
Yeah. He had
the
Drake and
songs
Ross.
that you play here, the beats, they was fire.
Same thing you would hear like Ross rapping off of. Same thing you hear